Hi, I'm Kathy Elliott, an independent Nordic sales consultant, and my granddaughter and I have something to share with you. Okay, so we're going to zoom in on this spot here that I am not able to get off with just a wet Enviro cloth. And by the way, this wet Enviro cloth is 12 years old, so she's going to help use that. You got it? Okay, and Grandma is going to spray the degreaser. So this is a degreaser, you dilute it. This is our blue spray bottle. I'm going to spray it on this that just water in the cloth didn't get off, so I'm going to spray above it. Let it run down. Okay, go ahead, granddaughter. Wipe it off. Right up here where I sprayed it.
I want to do it.
She wants to spray. She didn't really wipe it off. Here, don't argue.
What?
Pick the cloth back up.
Okay.
You let it all run off.
No.
Wipe it down.
No. I want it.
I'll try it. So I'm taking a little bit of elbow grease of my
I
own with the degreaser. It is getting a little lighter. We're going to try the all-purpose cleaner now. She's spraying the bolt. We need to spray a little higher. Okay, try that.
No, you do it.
She wants me to do it. Oh, that didn't quite take it off all the way. So I have an old Spirisponge here. It's been dirty. It's got a lot of stuff going on it. And when you're cleaning your camper, starting out with oh, look, that's really taking it off. Just need a little more scrub power. So we probably should have started with the Spirisponge first instead of the Enviro cloth. After I use the Enviro cloth and water to get that off. The last thing sprayed on here is the degreaser. So it was the degreaser that helped take that off. So thanks for watching.